The 2018 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player, electronic stability control, MP3 capability, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, trip computer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, tilt steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.